Hi guys, so for this video I'm using cotton in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 3.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 13. So now that we have chained 13, on a fourth chain from a hook I'll make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain we'll make 3 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 2 triple crochet. Through the next 3 chains I'll make 1 triple crochet through each chain. So 1, 2 and 3. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through the next chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his last chain I'll make 2 single crochet. So now we're working on a round. So through his next 2 chains I'll make 1 single crochet in each chain. Through the next chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Through his next 3 chains I'll make 1 triple crochet through each chain. So 1, 2 and 3. Through the next chain I'll make 2 triple crochets through the same chain. Now through his last chain I'll make 3 double crochet through the same chain. So 1, 2 and 3. Now I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 1 slip stitch. Now I'll chain 8. Then through the second chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain 1 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 slip stitch. Now right here through his last chain I'll make a slip stitch. I would chain 1. Then I'll cut this yarn. Now I will just weave these ends in. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.